Hello everyone, this is Raji. In this video, we will learn how to return the previous row values using Power Query Editor. So I have already loaded the data. We have two tables, data table and the sales detail table. Let us quickly go to Power Query Editor and analyze the data. So here we have two tables, sales details table and data table. First, in sales details table, we have revenue based on products called running shoes, while in data table we have revenue based on products golf shoes, running shoes and saucer shoes. So let us uh, first work on this table to return the previous records based on this revenue. So here we are not getting all the month records. For example, till 5th month, May month we have records, and after September month records. Like this we have the records in the sales details table. So first what we have to do is, here we are going to use index column. Go to add column, add index column from 0 and add index column from 1. So after adding these two index column, so let us merge this using click merge queries. So since we are working on one table only, select same table on both tables. Here select from table 1, select index column, and from table 2 select index 1 table. So join kind should be left outer only. Click OK. So here if we click here, we will have the result. So extract the table, only select revenue from this table. Click OK. If you sort by this, so I am closing the sorting order. So here let us remove these two index columns. So here we have revenue and revenue. Let me this as previous revenue. So now let us get the difference between these two tables. So to get difference between these two columns, we can simply use this add column and standard option. But for this, it will not work for null values. For that, we will add a custom column and name the column as difference. Difference. We will use list dot sum function. Open curly braces, revenue, comma, minus previous revenue, curly braces, open bracket. Click OK. So here we are getting the correct values. Well, let me use this also. Select these two, standard, subtract. So for null value, we are getting null value only. For that, we will not use this method. Close this. So we got the result. So here we have only products called running shoe. If we go to the data table, here we have products like running shoe, saucer shoe and golf shoe. So let us achieve same result for this table also. For that, what we have to do is, first we have to group them. Transform, under transform select group by, select column name as group. Operation should be on all rows, click OK. So if we click here, we will have the table details. Now what I will do is, I will add the index column. Go to add column, index column. So I have added the index column, but what I want is, I want the numbering to this running shoes. So what I will do is, instead of this grouped rows, I will select group. Let me copy this formula and go add custom column. Name this as index column. Paste the formula. So instead of group, I will add group column. Now click OK. So if we click now, so we have the required result. So index is added according to this product IDs. Now, so we can remove other columns and extract this column. Click OK. So to now add index 0 column, we can simply use subtract. Value should be 1. Click OK. So we have the index column. Now let us do the same steps we have done before. Go to merge. First step is merging. Merge queries. Select data in both the tables. Select subtraction column from this table and index column from this table. In addition, select the products column. Press Ctrl and select this product control. Press this product columns. Join kind should be left or outer only. Click OK. So we have the table details. Extract this table. We want only revenue. Click OK. So let us change this revenue 1 to previous revenue. So change data type is changed. Change this to whole number. Data type to whole number. Remove these two columns. So let us add the difference columns between these two revenues. Add column, custom column, difference column. Add use function list dot sum, open bracket, curly bracket, revenue, comma, minus previous revenue, curly, close bracket. Click OK. So we have the result. So wait. Let us sort this index column by ascending. In previous revenue, we should have null values. All are at the bottom. Select this. Sort by. No, we are not getting the correct order. Here we have correct result only, the sorting order. So when we expanded only we got the let's change this data type to date. Let me sort this by ascending. We're not getting correct results. What happened? Let me check. So it's okay. Let us continue. Let me remove these two columns. So here we have the null values also, so that we will use the list function. Go to add column, custom column, difference, list dot sum, curly revenue, comma minus revenue 1, click OK. So this is the output, required output. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.